Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Today's video we're going to be unboxing the November Bellabox, so let's get into it. I wonder what is in this month's box. So the theme is summer vibes. And the first thing I see in here is a Hawaiian Tropic product. It is the Jewelry Defense Lotion, SPF 50. Now, did I or did I not say in last month's unboxing that I was going to receive more sunscreens before the summer was over? Yes, I did. I told you so, I guess is what I have to say. I told you so. Bellabox, you are extremely predictable. I've been with you for so many years and I knew there'd be more sunscreen. Can I just tell you now, I've got plenty of sunscreen. I do not need any more. Like, I've got so much sunscreen. You just keep sending it every single time. So I will never be out of sunscreen because you guys keep sending it. Arguably the most important step in your routine, the sunscreen will ensure your skin is protected from damaging UVA and UVB rays. Bonus, the protective anti-pollution layer helps prevent premature skin aging from the sun and pollution. Available in body lotion 180 ml and face lotion 100 ml. So this is a 60 ml sample, but the full size is $17.49 from Woolworths and Priceline. So I did take a Hawaiian Tropic sunscreen that I had from a previous Bellabox. So, you know, again, not really reaching out too far. With me over on holiday, and it wasn't amazing. I still got sunburnt, so, and that was SPF 50, so all I'm going to say is be careful with this. Next, we have a Dermaveen product. It is the Extra Gentle Intensive Moisturising Lotion. Now, the problem I have with this is that this is a product I sell in my work, and we have samples to give away to people. The samples are a hell of a lot bigger than this. Like, this is a 20 ml sample. I'm giving away 200 ml samples. But anyway, something that, yes, I can get for free at work in a much bigger size. But fight dryness, smooth irritation, and moisturize your skin with Dermaveen's new intensive lotion. It is formulated with a 100% natural colloidal oatmeal, scientifically proven to restore and nourish extra dry and sensitive skin. The 250 ml is $11.99 at Coles and Chemist Warehouse. It's not Bellabox's fault. This is a product I work with, but I do agree that it is a good product and I have recommended it to people, so I'm not against it. It just sucks that, you know, I've got something I already have readily available to me. And it's just a moisturizer. Like, how many moisturizers can we get? So next, this is a product I do not think I've ever seen in a Bellabox before. It is the Philosophy Purity Made 3-in-1 Cleanser. Philosophy's award-winning facial cleanser melts away dirt, oil, and makeup on the skin. It tones and lightly hydrates in one simple step for skin that feels perfectly clean and comfortably balanced. So this is just a 30 ml sample, but the full size 480 ml is $52, the 240 ml is $39, and the 90 ml is $19. Available at Adore Beauty, David Jones, and Maya. I'm actually excited to try this. I have heard nothing but great things about Philosophy, and I've never really tried their products before, so I'm really excited to actually try this, and I need a new cleanser, so this will go straight into my shower, and I'll use this tonight. Woo! I like that product. Next is something we have received in many Bellaboxes before, and that is some Whitening toothpaste. So this one is actually a Whitening Coconut Oil Shine Whitening Toothpaste. We have not received this coconut oil one before in the Bellabox. I know we've received the charcoal ones and the normal ones and all that sort of stuff. But this one we have not got before, or at least I haven't in the past how many years. So that would be good to try. However, you know, it's toothpaste. It's going to be what it's going to be. Go nuts for White Glow's coconut oil toothpaste. With natural coconut oil as the main ingredient, this gem will detoxify and whiten your teeth while helping to improve oral health. This is just a sample, but the full size is $6.99, Coles, Woolworths, Priceline, and Chemist Warehouse. So I'm actually keen to try this because I've never tried a coconut oil toothpaste before. So that's actually interesting. I wonder if it actually whitens your teeth. I wonder if the coconut oil actually does something, or if it's just, you know, a marketing thing. And we have a sachet sample in here. It's a Swisse Manuka Honey Detoxifying Facial Mask, or a Blood Orange Brightening Clay Mask. So I got the Manuka Honey Detoxifying Facial Mask. So I am keen to try that actually. Never tried a Swisse mask before. And last but not certainly least, we have a ModelCo mascara. The ModelCo Power Lash Black Mascara. Beloved Australian brand ModelCo is giving our lash lines a serious boost with this all-star mascara. With an inky black and long-lasting formula, it will give you lengthened and lifted lashes. What's more, it's an amazing staying power. It's $25 at modelco.com. I am very excited we got this in the box. Who doesn't love receiving mascaras and Bellaboxes? Because, you know, you're supposed to replace them every few months. I mean, I know most of us are guilty of not doing so. But, you know, we always need new mascara, and it's lovely to get, you know, an Aussie brand in the box. So, great product. And it looks like there is a competition card to do with Charlie's Angels and the White Glow. Just enter a competition, I guess, for a trip to LA. I actually saw this movie on Monday night at an event with Blackmores. Basically, they just, you know, took us to the movies and talked about some new products and stuff like that. I was actually quite surprised with this movie. I was, you know, dead set thinking it's not going to be anything like as good as the original with Cameron Diaz and Drew Barrymore and Lucy Liu. It was a good movie, don't get me wrong, and if you don't want any spoilers, skip ahead now, but I was so surprised to see that only these two were angels and this one was the client. She wasn't even an angel, and she was just like fumbling around the whole time going along for the ride, and she, like, they made her an angel at the end, whatever, but like, there's supposed to be 3 angels, not 2.5. You know what I mean? Like, it was a bit surprising, I guess. Like, it wasn't a bad movie. It was just, I was a bit let down by the fact that the 3 of them weren't angels from the start. You know, it is what it is. It was still a good movie, though. And we have a little in the style, Marie Claire, subscription thing, and an ingredients card. So that is everything in the box this month. I must say I am slightly on the fence in terms of this box. I mean, the mascara was really good. I'm interested to try the coconut toothpaste. Hopefully it tastes as good as it works. And this is actually a really nice sample to get. And this cleanser is, you know, I'm really keen to try such a more luxury brand than some of the other brands we seem to get. In terms of these two products, I'm a little bit disappointed. The sunscreen we seem to get in every single box. I'm sick of getting sunscreens. Like, BellaBox, can you please think of a new type of product to give us? And the moisturizing lotion, it's not an interesting product. I'm very familiar with it. I work with it. I sell it to people. And it's a really good product, but it's just not interesting enough for me. It's just another moisturizer that I already have access to. Not BellaBox's fault, that's just my personal opinion on the product. So I wouldn't call this a letdown. It's just a personal, you know, lack of need for the product in my life, because I already have it in my life. I think really the bummer is the fact that, you know, another sunscreen. Like, I'm sure it looks good, you know, pollution protection is really important, you know, in this day of age, but it's a sunscreen, you know. Like, I've got so many sunscreens already from BellaBox. We get them all the time. Like, can you stop giving me sunscreen? Can you give me some more makeup or something, you know? So yeah, that is everything in the summer vibes box for November. Please like this video and comment down below what you got in your box or your thoughts on this month's box. I'm always keen to know what you guys are thinking as well. I know a lot of the time you guys sometimes get different products than me, and I'd love to know what you guys got in your box. And if you've seen this movie, let me know what you thought, and if you agree with my opinion of not having 3 angels, only having 2 in a client was a bit strange. But, it is what it is. So, yeah, I'm so excited to see what happens in next month's box. I know with December, they usually have a really good box. Like, every December box has always been, like, they try to end the year with a bang. And I'm hoping that's what they're going to do this year. Because this box, it wasn't bad, but I wasn't overwhelmingly excited about it either. So make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in next month's unboxing. Bye guys!